19 September 2017. Source: Flight dashboard by Greg Waldron. Singapore Thai Airways International has taken delivery of its first Boeing 78-79. The aircraft arrived at Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport on 17 September after a delivery flight from Boeing's Everett Delivery Center, says the carrier. Registered HSTWA, the jet is powered by Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines and features 30 business class and 268 economy seats. The aircraft will operate the Bangkok-Chiang Mai route between 23 and 30 September, and then the Bangkok-Singapore route from 1 October to 15 November. Following the delivery of its second 78-79, Thai will start using the Taipan services to Auckland and Taipei. Flight Fleets Analyzer shows that the second 9 will arrive in mid-October. Thai operates 6 78-78s, and the 2 78-79s will conclude its 787 orders. Flight Fleets Analyzer shows that both 9s are leased from AerCap.